how's it going, guys? I'm Devin here with Nitrous Out, and I'm here to talk about our Kraken plate, which is a single entry plate with the tunability of a direct port. Because the jets are located at the cone, you can tune individually for each cylinder. The Kraken is only available in the 4500 flange, as the plenum on the 4150 intakes, there is just simply not enough room for it. To determine if the depth of your plenum will accept the Kraken, measure from the top of the flange down 4 inches. If you do not contact the plenum floor, then you're good to go. We designed the Kraken plate with grudge racers and class racers in mind. However, it will work with any 4500 large plenum intake where a plate is wanted or needed, but the ultimate tunability is required. For you class racers, you're gonna have to check with the sanctioning body of whatever division or series you race in and make sure that the Kraken is legal in your class. Our Kraken plate is CNC'd out of billet 6061 aluminum and is made here in Waco, Texas. The plate is 3/4 inch thick and anodized black, nitrous outlet, and Kraken logo on all sides. The cone is red anodized, as well as the jet fittings are thread locked in there, so they're not gonna come out without a fight. The standard build comes with a 178 nitrous solenoid that we have machined the inlet up into the bowl and capped off the bottom bung, so that way you get the best flow possible. The competition version comes with a 199 nitrous solenoid that we will cover a little bit more later. The fuel solenoid in the wet application is the same as the standard in competition and is the 310 fuel solenoid. The max flow on the 178 solenoid is 2,916 pounds per hour, or about 810 horsepower. The max flow on the 199 solenoid is 3,715 pounds per hour, or about 1,032 horsepower. These numbers were achieved with a 6A main feed line from our bottle, as well as our standard 508 orifice billet bottle valve that comes standard on all nitrous outlet bottles. The Kraken is available as a solenoids forward conversion, or you can buy the complete system with a 10, 12, or 15 pound bottle, or no bottle at all. The plate is not available individually, as it requires our specifically machined solenoids to match our flow data and get you the best results possible. Speaking of jetting, every Kraken setup will come with a jet pack allowing horsepower settings from 100 to 800 horsepower for race configurations and 100 to 950 horsepower for the competition configuration. You'll be able to choose from gas, E85, methanol, or dry applications. The included jet card covers all fuel and power levels, but for a more specific fueling pounds per hour information, you can check out the flow charts on our website. Use only our Kraken specific jetting charts and flow charts. No other info will work. Out of the box, the Kraken will come with 6-inch pieces of hardlines that comes with the required B-nut and sleeve to attach it to the plate. To install yourself, you'll need to cut and bend the hard lines similar to what we have here. For wet applications, you'll need to have the nitrous and fuel discharges positioned similar to this plate as well for proper distribution. Do not get the nitrous discharge too close to the fuel solenoid, or the fuel will be forced back up into the tube, causing a lean condition. If you don't feel comfortable plumbing the Kraken yourself, we do offer that service in-house. Simply contact one of our techs at 254-848-4300 or sales@nitrousoutlet.com. They will set you up with an estimate on plumbing services, and we will take it from there. Depending on your intake, some of the tubes might have to be installed after you have the plate on the intake due to clearance issues, which is no issue. You just kind of squeeze up through the plenum and tighten it on. Now, back to the competition solenoid, the 199 orifice. What we did is we took the already modified 178 orifice solenoid and machined it out to a 199. The machining process of the solenoid removes much of the orifice surface and leaves it with a sharp edge. This drastically reduces piston life, so we recommend that you have multiples on hand at the track. We only recommend the competition setup for max effort or in a jet restricted class where maximum flow is required. You can pick up your Kraken at nitrousoutlet.com.